Have you ever felt like you cannot just be consistent in the things you want to achieve or the things that you said you really want to do? Then today's topic is for you. Hi everyone, you're welcome to today's podcast, Voice of Wisdom, Val, where we talk about real life issues and wisdom on how to navigate them. Today we'll be looking at the word consistency. Okay, we'll be looking at the word consistency. Consistency is the ability to repeat an event or an activity harmoniously, continuously. Let's take, for example, a boy that is very fat and very big. If he goes to the gym or work out regularly, what do you think will happen to him after some few months? I guess your answer was right. He's going to be in perfect shape, right? He's going to be in perfect shape. Same thing, when you are consistent in achieving your goal is going to be in perfect shape in the sense that you are going to achieve your goal. Consistency help you to become better. Consistency help you to achieve any goal no matter how big that goal may be. I repeat again, consistency help you to achieve any goal or task no matter how big that goal may seem or be. Let's quickly take a look at the scripture, what the scripture have to say about consistency. We'll be reading from Joshua chapter 1 verse 8. It says, "This book of the law shall not depart out of thy mouth, but thou shalt meditate therein day and night, that thou might observe to do accordingly to all that is written therein, for then thou shalt make thy way prosperous, and then thou shalt have good success." If you take note of the word, it says day and night. So God is telling Joshua that when you are consistent in meditating upon my word day and night, so for you to achieve that goal that you've set out, you have to make sure that you achieve or you do the corresponding action. So let's take for example now you have a goal that you want to achieve or that you want to be consistent at. What are you going to do? You have something that you want to be consistent at. What are you going to do? First of all, I will say take out a pen and a paper, write out that goal. After writing out that goal, then write out the corresponding action you need to take to achieve that goal. Okay, after writing out the corresponding action you need to take to achieve that goal, eliminate the distractions, the things you know will distract you from fulfilling that goal, from carrying out that thing consistently. Eliminate them, remove them. If it is your phone or social media, go away from social media. Whatsoever that you know will be a form of distraction, remove them. After you've done that, then set out to do that goal. Let's take for example, you want to read a particular book in a month. You want to finish a particular book in a month. You tell yourself, okay, for me to finish this book in a month, I have to read maybe one chapter every day. So you set out a time. Every day you read at least a chapter, a chapter, a chapter. And that does not mean if a particular day you don't read a chapter or you don't finish a chapter, you just give up like that. That is where the failure comes in for many others. So any day you fail to carry out your goal or what you've written out that you want to do, any day you see that, oh, this day today I failed to do it, don't just give up like that. No, anytime you remember you do it, anytime you remember you do it, no matter how minute it may be. So each time you discover that you are not consistent or you forget to do a particular thing that you said you are supposed to be consistent at, what you are to do next is do that thing immediately. Anytime you remember, you do it immediately. Like in form of that book, say you want to read a chapter, okay? So maybe today you forget to read a particular chapter. So anytime you remember, you read it. Anytime you remember, you read it. So don't just give up for say, I did not do it yesterday, I'm tired, sef. No, that is where consistency comes in. Okay? Failing one day does not mean you have failed. Quitting, it is quitting that is the real failure. So when you discover that today, tomorrow, maybe even for a week, you've not done it, the next week continue with it. Gradually, 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 you will gain mastery. Okay, you will gain mastery. Just say these words after me. Say, I'm successful as a result of my consistency. I'm successful as a result of my consistency. So we'll stop here for today. We'll stop here for today. So if you know that this was helpful to you, please kindly share to others so that it can be of great benefits to them.